welcome to Kitty for Crafts. I'm Kathy with Kitty for Crafts, and I wanted to do an unboxing. This is how it came, like that. I know where it's from. It's from Diamond Art Club. So before I get opening it up, thank you for subscribing, clicking the bell, and doing all the YouTube things. Welcome to my new subscribers. I am so happy that you're here with us. And to my old ones, what up? So I just want to open this up this morning before everyone gets up and before I get to work. I just wanted to see this because when I get home tonight, I want to be able to do this. I'm so excited. So let's get it open. I got the crazy knife. If you haven't seen the crazy knife, I got this from Temu, and boy, is it crazy. All right, so I hope everyone's having a good, I hope I did that right. I hope everyone's having a good Wednesday morning. It's Wednesday morning before the holiday, so it's gonna be kind of cool. Okay, so when it came in like this, and with a little extra bubbles. We're gonna throw this off to the side. Oh, there's so much. Okay, so it's the little dots. Let me put that over there just a little bit more. There we go. The little diamonds art dot kit with a little cool hanger thingy. So I wonder if they're gonna put these in the stores. It just makes me wonder. But anyway, I got Voldemort. Okay, so I love Harry Potter. I am a Slytherin. If you didn't know that, one of the videos shows I have a shirt on. I have done Pottermore forever. I think since it came out. So I just love Harry Potter. That being said, when we lived in Florida, we would go all the time to Universal because why not? We visited the mouse too, but we stayed mostly at Universal because we're Harry Potter people. So I have Voldemort because I think he's cool. Now, someone's gonna be like, why do you think he's cool? He's the bad guy. Yes, he is. But if you read the books, there's reasons for the seasons. So, whatever. But this is who I got. It's $14.99. He, yeah, he's $14.99. It came with, you can get all of them are $14.99. Bellatrix is in there. I almost thought about getting her butt too because she cuckoo. And then there's Hagrid, Hedwig, Dumbledore. I think Luna's one of them. Then you got Harry, Hermione, Ronnie, Draco, and his dad is there too. And I think there's like 6 or 8 of them. I don't know. There's a lot. I was impressed. Okay, so this is how it comes. It is officially licensed because one, it is Diamond Art Club. But on the back, you will see, let me make sure I find it. There it is. Right there. Warner Brothers, Wizarding World. So it's official. Okay, so that's great. Cute thing. Oh, I can tell you who's on it because there's a little picture. So it comes in here, and then here's your, there he is, isn't he cute? But it has all these, oh, you can't see that, all the things. So let me tell you who they have. Because I should be able to do this without looking it up. Harry, Ron, Hermione, Draco, Luna, Lucius, which is Ron's dad, Draco's dad. I don't know why I said that. Bellatrix, Dumbledore, Snape, Dobby, good old Voldemort, Hedwig, and why is his name escaping me? Oh my gosh. Really, Kathy? Oh, I'm so upset with myself. Hagrid. Lord have mercy. So there you go. I was like, I'm so sick. Y'all was going to have to wait for it. So there's other characters. So, you know, Harry, Ron, Hermione, Draco, Luna, Lucius, Bellatrix, Dumbledore, Hagrid, Snape, Dobby, Voldemort, and Hedwig. So there's all your people. So that's what it comes with. What is that? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I can't count 13. So it's 13 people. Then it tells you how to diamond paint. And then there's your picture. And then underneath Hagrid is what all you're going to get in this kit. So let's talk about under Hagrid. I got both of them. I got it on the brain now. All right, so we're going to get one Sparkle Pal. They're called Sparkle Pals because he's going to be my pal. He's going to work with me and sit on my desk. Maybe keep all the cuckoos away. Then you get a wooden base, pre-sorted colored diamond and coated diamonds, Twist and pick applicator with putty and multi-placer. So this comes with the new toolkit. Stackable tray with lid and stopper and 15 reusable baggies. So this is one of those ones where you're gonna work out a baggie system. There's 15 colors. Just work out a baggie. Okay, which I've kind of learned to do when we talk about this moon thing I'm working on. Yeah, kind of seems like it makes more sense. So that being said, let's pop open the thing. Sparkle Pals Voldemort. Oh, let me tell you how big he is. He is 4.5 by 5.7 inches, or 11.4 centimeters by 14.6 centimeters. So decent little size. Okay, like I said, oh no, here you see here, Wizarding World Harry Potter. And then there's all Diamond Art Club socials on that thing. It's on both sides, by the way. Okay, so Little Diamonds by Diamond Art Club. Sparkle Pals. Includes everything you need. So this is a good way. Oh, okay. I think this is going to be a good way for people to do a couple of different things. Let me stop all the crinkling. Hold on. Okay. This is a couple things for me. A couple of things. I am going to say, if you are a how do I want to say this? If you're new to diamond painting, this is a good way to start. If you are trying to get to the new kit without buying one of our, I say our, but one of the big kits of theirs, new kits. I think this is an easy way to kind of figure out if diamond painting is for you, if the new kit is for you. Okay, now it's not like you get an option. If you're buying from DAC, then you're going to get the new kit if you get one of the newer kits, because I think they're moving all their kits to the new kits, but you know how sometimes it's a slow process. So you might get an old kit, you might get a new kit, and to find out if you're getting an older new kit, just scroll down or scroll over on the main pictures and you'll be able to see that. But I think this is a great way to figure out if the new kit is your thing, if this new pen is your thing. So what comes in this kit? Okay, besides the new toolkit, we got your pal. So here he is. He is solid wood. It says on there Diamond Art Club. And on the back it also tells you it's the Wizarding World character. Do What Makes You Sparkle. And names that are related to Warner Brothers Entertainment, public, the whole licensing thing. So here he is. He's got plastic on him. That's going to be a booger bear to find how to get it up. Yeah, buddy, because it is on there. But anyway, and so you can see I only have, I think, 3 colors, maybe even 2. Nope, 4. So I don't have a lot. Voldemort is, he's a dark character, so it's not like it's a big deal. So this is all one color. So this is a lot of multiplacing, except for probably down here where I'm going to have, nope, I have 3 colors. Oh, his face has got some stuff in it too. So I don't know, I must have 2 or 3 colors. 4 colors, I don't know what I got, but well, let's see what I have. And this does not tell you on your package what you got. It didn't tell you at all. So we're gonna have to find out what I got. Okay, so I gotta make sure I watch the time. I gotta get ready to go to work. So there's that. Okay, yeah, okay. And it comes with a stand. And my stand look kind of beat up. Let's look so you can see it. It looks kind of beat up. There's the other side. So I know that you can just stick these in here. Oh, and there is a wrong and a right way to do this. Oh, that'd be an easy way to do that, won't it? Oh, okay. Oh, I got that lifted up. Okay, well, since I got that lifted up, let's see. Oh, and it's sticky. Yeah. Now let's see if I can do it on either side, because this don't look so beat up on that side. No, I cannot. So my beat up side is gonna have to be what I use. And he snaps in there. I'm not gonna push him all the way down, but he snaps in there. And then again, your stick. Okay, so put that off to the side. And oh, maybe I'll do it. I don't know. We'll figure out how to do that. Okay, so there's Voldemort. All right, you have, thank you for your purchase. Use the B containers, perfect for keeping your diamonds safe and organized. Single steel tip placers. So these are things that are going to help do your thing. It comes with this cute little, if I can get it open, there you go, like diamond that you push in. Okay, and it opens up to tell you there's your 20% off coupon, what's in your kit, their socials, and then how to diamond paint. So how to diamond paint, the Facebook group, the coupons, here the 20% off coupons, their socials, how to diamond paint, and what's in our kits. Okay, so that's what's in this. Now, if you're getting one of the big kits, also you will have your schematic in there and your stickers. Okay, so that's what that is. Our diamonds, our drills per se. I am correct to say 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4. So it looks like a 310. Okay, so here's the funny thing. None of these have a DNC code on them. They just say 1, 2, 3, 4. So here are your colors. Off-white, 310, an AB of some color, and do it this way so you can see it better. And then whatever this color is, like another peachy beige. Now, when I look at these, yeah, 1AB. So that's what I got. And I am going to look this up real quick because I want to see something. Voldemort. Okay, yeah. Like I told you, they're $14.99. So, oh, okay. I have 3 colors plus 1 fairy dust is what I would have in my kit. There's 1,130 diamonds. They're all round. Okay, so it looks like that's what I have for Voldemort. Let's see. But if I pick on Lucius Malfoy, he's got 2 colors plus 4 fairy dust diamonds, 1 iridescent, and 1 electro diamond. So depending on who you would like to get will depend on what you get. So Bellatrix, her silly self, she's got 2 colors, 1 fairy dust and 1 iridescent. So let's talk about the boy. Let's talk about Harry. What's Harry got? Harry's got 5 colors, 1 AB, 2 iridescents. Okay. And then Dumbledore, as cool as he has 7 colors plus 4 fairy dust. So if you're like, I'm into Harry Potter, what's my boy Snape got? Snape got 2 colors and 1 fairy dust diamond. Nope, someone just woke up. All right, so everyone's got something different, which I think is kind of cool. But there you go. Last thing we're going to do, and I'm going to get off here because I need to get to the job, is maybe not. There we go. Nope, I just threw that on the ground, on the table. Try to dump it. There we go. All right. Toolkit has a wax in it for your multi-placer. I feel like that's something that was smart because at first they didn't put them in there. I think it's smart they put them back in there because I got to do my multi-placer in the back. But I know some people use putty on multi-placers, so I think it's different for everybody. So we have the wax. I love their wax. A multi-placer, and the tip comes out. So if you want to do, a different type of multi-placer, snaps in nice. It's their thin one. And then we have the pen with the pull off. Oh, my wax is all over the place. So the wax. And so there's your wax. Again, with the wax, don't forget you're going to twist it. And then when you twist it, it will pop up. Now, I'm not going to twist this because one, it had too much coming out anyway. And then you unscrew it. Don't forget, let me go ahead and unscrew it. To pull this out, I don't have strength this morning. There we go. To put your wax putty, and you can see that putty. Well, maybe you can't. So I can get you to see that inside. Yeah, there you go. See that putty in there? It's stacked. I don't know who's going through that much putty, but maybe you are. I don't know how you place. So, so you push that there, and then you put that on here, and you just screw it back in. And you can see they leave you, that's a lot of screw left, right? So you're going to be screwing for a while. Yeah. And it has this cool little push on top. I think I'm going to like the new pins. We'll see how I place with it. I'm actually going to use it when I get back home on one of my other paintings. One of the three. I might even just use it on theirs, on their square. And then I'm going to use it on around and see what I get. Oh, and they give you replacement putty. Like, that's a lot of putty. Okay, and then the 15 baggies. Oh, and then they give you, what is this, a 7-placer and a 7-placer. And then their new tray, which is cool lid, cool tray. This is a small one, don't forget, because this is a small kit with this cool stopper. Let me get the stopper for you. Stopper. So it goes like that and like that, right? So you want to make sure that you have that. And then it has this lip right here, because don't forget these are going to be stackable. So if you get another small one, like one of their floral ones or another Harry Potter one, then you can start stacking these trays. Diamond Art Club do what makes you sparkle on the side. It's kind of, light there, but it's what's on the side. And they're nice hard plastic. They're not 3D printed, but because we do 3D printing. They're not 3D printed, but take this lid off. They're nice, right? They're really nice. From DAC. I think the upgrades are going to be great. I was concerned. I watched Katie from Diamonds and Washi when she first pulled it out, and I was like, I don't know about that. But now that I have a kit, and happy that this kit came with the new kit, yeah, we might be okay with this. So I've got 4 colors, 1 fairy dust. I think it's number 3. We're gonna find out. I will do, and it does let you do it separate, like there it is, DAC Voldemort. So if you store separately, which I don't know why you, and it tells Sparkle Pals, I don't know why you would store any of this separate because it's so little. But if you do, there you go. I'm in love. One thing I'm kind of irritated about is about my little thingy here. Looks like it's been beat up by a little bit, but I might see if I can use some cleaner on that. But anyway, me and Voldemort are getting ready to go to work. So we will catch you later. Thanks for stopping by real quick this morning. Believe it or not, I'm going to edit this before I even get going so that you guys can have it this morning. And I will chit chat with you later. I might come back later today after work and do a whip and chat. And maybe we'll work on Voldemort. Or maybe we'll work on the moon. I don't know. I got 3 projects going in now, 4, because I'm going to do Voldemort. So we'll see. All right. I will talk to you guys later. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you. Peace, love, stay cool, and keep on painting. Bye, guys.